Did you know that it is important to do an intestinal cleansing? Some people suggest doing at least 2 detox a year. According to them, an intestinal detox can help eliminate the excess of fecal residues, parasites, and mucus. It is also great to prevent and curb many health issues. Curious, isn't it? The main theory behind intestinal cleansing is self-intoxication. According to the experts who recommend this technique, meat and other non-digested food cause a buildup of mucus in the large intestine, producing toxins that hinder blood circulation and cause issues in the body. Fatigue, headaches, weight gain, and little to no energy are some of the symptoms that can suggest that your body is intoxicated. Cares and Cures help women achieve their body goals with ease and efficiency by helping to choose them proper meal plans and effective workouts. Do subscribe to our channel and you will see the good results in very short time. To clean your colon in a natural way, you will need only 2 ingredients, flaxseed and kefir. We have already talked about the benefits of these 2 ingredients on our channel. Did you know that eating 1 to 3 tablespoons of flaxseed flour a day can completely detox your colon in 3 weeks? It cleans your body and still preserves your gut microbiota. Interesting, isn't it? Flaxseed flour is also able to absorb and eliminate toxins from your body and lower the cholesterol levels. Kefir is rich in nutrients and probiotics, being amazingly beneficial for digestion and the intestines. The combination of these 2 ingredients will allow a quicker regularization of your weight, fat burning, and also will regulate your metabolism. Are you curious? Do you want to learn how to do it? To do this cleansing, take this mixture always during breakfast, substituting what you usually eat. And remember, don't make big portions to store it for later, since the recipe offers way more benefit when made and eaten fresh, which makes the cleansing more effective. Besides that, you also need to drink at least 67 ounces of water a day, since better results can be acquired by combining the kefir mixture with constant hydration. This intestinal detox should be done once a year if you judge it necessary. Let Cares and Cures team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your body and your mind so you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your friends and family and let us know what do you think in the comments below.